How's it going, everyone? Jacob Rothenberg here with another video on Kindle Publishing Keyword Foundations, your free mini course on YouTube for everything keyword related for Kindle self-publishing. What I want to do today is actually just give you a quick heads up on banned keywords you should never use when you publish on Amazon. This is going to be a super quick lesson. It's going to be probably the shortest video of this series, but I definitely wanted to create this video as sometimes, not that you're going to be ignorant or naive even, but you might not just be aware of some keywords that you absolutely cannot publish for. So it's going to be pretty much one slide talk, but never use keywords related to Amazon, Kindle or Kindle Direct Publishing, Alexa, the talking device, or any Amazon products, period. Reason being, these are all obviously they're trademarked, but Amazon watches for these keywords like a hawk when your books are being reviewed and they go through the whole publishing review process. Their system will automatically pick up if you have their content in either the title or subtitle, and it's just not a good idea overall to publish books related to anything Amazon related, and they reserve the right really to produce content for their own products on their own site, so that's perfectly justifiable and makes sense. So if you were thinking to do anything related to like Alexa guides or guides related to any Amazon products, no. If you ever wanted to create a book about self-publishing, that is such a tough call on what to give you good advice on. But I would, if you were to do something like that, I would steer away from even mentioning Kindle Direct Publishing if you can in the content. But so far, I haven't met any students or anyone interested in publishing a book about self-publishing, as it's not profitable. So there you have it. Another keyword that just came up to me that could be banned to use is bestseller in your title or subtitle, like unless you are like a New York Times bestseller, especially your title or subtitle, you cannot use that keyword. It's facetious, it's misinforming the customer, and it's wrong. So I believe you can't use that as well. So that's it, guys. Be sure to not use any keywords related to Amazon, and you'll be good to go. Until then, see you later.